Okay, hadn't intended to do this, but we resolved a lot of things, and I felt like we might as well go ahead. So I was kind of doing this off the top of my head, no disclaimer. Actually, it is kind of a disclaimer because something didn't work out. But let's see how this whole thing works. The Bernoulli equation is of the form y prime plus p of ty equals q of t times y to the n for some power n. So it's much like a first order linear equation, except you got that y to the n on this side, and that makes it nonlinear. However, we can convert it to a linear equation by letting v equal y to the m. We're going to do a change of variable. We're going to change the variable of this equation to v. Now, if I've done something wrong here or something completely off the wall, at first place it wouldn't totally surprise me, but it works out very much like this, except in this case it does not appear to work out. I can't figure out what's wrong. Probably have to go back and look at something, make sure I've got the right change of variable. In any case, v equals y to the m. Okay, so what can we conclude? Well, we want to convert the equation to variable v, so we're going to need a v prime. So v prime, I mean, we've got a y prime. We want to do this in terms of v prime and v. Okay, so we calculate v prime. That's m y to the m minus 1 times y prime. Don't see anything wrong with that, but I'm looking as I go. Okay, then started to write something here that was, yeah, it had the m in parentheses here. That wasn't right. So it follows, if we solve this for y prime, well, we're just going to divide by m times y to the m minus 1. And yeah, I'm looking for an error here. Okay, anyhow, to express this, if v equals y to the m, then y equals v to the 1 over m. So that this y to the m minus 1, I'm trying to do this in my head and reconcile it. Let's make sure. Okay. Okay, we got v prime equals m y to the m minus 1 times y prime. Okay, so that y prime equals v prime over m y to the m minus 1. But of course, y is v to the 1 over m, so that's v prime over m times v to the 1 over m raised to the m minus 1. That's v prime over m v to the m minus 1 over m. Hard to see that. I think I've got my exponent upside down there. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. Okay, I'm going to have to write this out again just to be sure, because it's kind of late. I have trouble looking at it. So I'm going to kind of abandon this and see where we go from here.